How to set Google Chrome as the default browser on a PC or laptop. Open the Start menu. Select Settings. Select Apps. Select Default Apps. Find the Chrome app. Select the Chrome app. Select Set Default. If Chrome isn't already the default browser for the other options, select each one. Select Chrome. Select Set Default. That's all it takes to set Google Chrome as the default browser on your PC or laptop.